Hello and welcome. In this course, you will learn professional game development using Unity Game Engine, and you will learn and develop GTA 5 game clone. So in this course, you will learn all the professional skills which are required for developing professional 3D games just like GTA 5. As you can see, you will learn and develop how to develop a professional inventory system for the player character weapons. So when the player character pick up any weapons, then it will be saved to the player inventory. As you can see, currently this player has picked up these 4 weapons. Now the player can pick out any weapon the player character want. Okay, let's take out the guns. Okay, then the player character can pick out any gun the player want. Okay, for example this one. Now let's pick out this one, this weapon. Okay, as you can see, and now let's pick out this one. In this course, you will also learn how to develop a professional police AI, or the police station and the police officers professional AI system, which will work just like you guys see in GTA 5. For example, if the player character whose name is Trevor, if he kills someone, then here you can see Trevor is now in the wanted level. So if any policeman see this player character whose name is Trevor, then he will arrest or he will shoot Trevor. Now you can see that the wanted level is 1, which simply means that the star highlighted is 1. Okay, so as you can see here, the policeman is coming toward Trevor, towards our player character. When the policeman is shooting at our player character, then the player character health decreases, as you can see above the map. Okay, now when Trevor killed the policeman, then the wanted level become 4. As you can see, 4 stars are highlighted. Okay, so wanted level 4. So now Trevor is in wanted level for the army, for the police, and for the FBI, as you can see. Okay, just like you guys see in GTA 5 game. So now if any security forces see Trevor, then the security forces will directly kill our player character, which is Trevor, because now the wanted level is 5 stars. Okay, that is all are on the security alert. That is, Trevor will be shoot down if the security forces, if any security forces see Trevor, just like you guys see in GTA 5 game. You will also learn how to develop the human AI system, where any kind of human or even the security forces, as you can see, they are walking in the city, as you can see here. So the professional AI system for the humans, just like you guys see in GTA 5, where there are different kind of people who are in that game. Okay, so same kind of AI system for the humans we will develop in this game, where you can see these humans who are basically going for their jobs. You will also learn how to develop a professional car controller system, that is, with the help of which our player character will drive any car the player character want. As you can see, the player is driving this car from his home, and you can also see that in the map. That is, when the player character moves the car, then it is also showing in the map. You will also learn how to develop a professional map system. Okay, as you can see at the left bottom, we have a professional map system where the player character can see from the map that is where he is going. The yellow arrow represents the player movement. As you can see, you can also see the AI car system. Okay, you will also learn that professional AI car system, where there will be civilian cars, as you can see, and also the security forces cars. The security forces cars will be patrolling in the city, as you can see. Just like GTA 5, you will also learn in this course how to create cutscenes for your game and how to develop story-based game just like GTA 5. For example, if I start the game, then the story starts. Now let's listen.
Hey driver, your bus stop is coming up. Be ready. Oh boy, such a long journey. Thank you, driver. Back to my hometown. Can't wait to see my home, my beautiful home.
Hey, what's in the bag? Show it to me.
It's none of your business.
Just give us the bag or we will shoot you right here, right now.
Okay, okay. Please don't shoot. Please don't shoot.
So you have already seen that Trevor come from another city to his hometown, and on the bus stop some thugs, some gangster loot him. That is, some gangster took the bag of money from the Trevor. So now all the missions started from here. Okay, mission 1 is basically for the Trevor is to locate his house and save game, as you can see at the left side at the top. Okay, in this small black screen which you can see, mission locate your house and save game. Now the missions, this is the first mission. Okay, now Trevor has to basically complete the first mission and then get details, or you can say get information about that gangsters. Okay, those gangsters who looted Trevor, and Trevor has to take his money back from them. Okay, so Trevor has to get his revenge from those gangsters. Now Trevor do not know anything about those gangsters, so Trevor will search for them. Okay, now let's follow the mission system. The first mission is to locate house and save game, and this is the Trevor house. Here comes Trevor. Okay, Trevor has 2 cars in his yard, I mean in the garage you can say, and Trevor has to just come here. Okay, and now Trevor will save the game. So we have also the save game feature and load game feature. When Trevor moves towards this green light, then it will save the game. Now if we go to the menu and quit the game, now let me open up the game again, and now let's load the game by clicking the continue button. Then the game will starts from where we leave the game. Okay, from where we quit the game, as you can see here. Now as you already know that we have completed the first mission, and the second mission details has been given to the player, which is player character has to find Frank. You can see mission find Frank in police station. Okay, locate Frank in police station. So Frank is now going towards the police station. Okay, that is in order to talk to Frank, who is the Trevor friend. Okay, Frank is Trevor friend. Now the reason why Trevor is going to meet Frank in the police station, Frank is basically living in this town long time ago. Okay, that is, he has spent years in this town and he has knowledge about every gangster or about every thug. He is now going to police station, so he believes that maybe Frank may give him some information about those gangsters who looted Trevor. And here comes the police station. So let's go inside the police station. Let's quickly open up the police station door. Okay, so let's open it, and now let's go inside. So this is the police station, and here are 2 police stations. Okay, the police girl is working on her computer, as you can see. She is doing her job, and there is a security alongside with that police girl. And now if we go inside where there are lockup rooms, so Trevor has to find his friend Frank, who is in the lockup basically. Here are also some police. Okay, these 2 are working on their computers. Now let's go towards the lockup room.
Frank, how are you, my friend?
Hey, what's up, Trevor? So happy to see you.
Hey man, some guy stole my money.
What guys, Trevor?
There were these two guys who steal my bag at the bus stop.
Yes, there's one big gangster named Gonzalez. He live up west.
So after meeting Frank, now Trevor knows that this is the Gonzalez. So Gonzalez is the main culprit, or you can say the main gangster. And those thugs who looted Trevor, they basically belongs to the Gonzalez gang. So Trevor, now as you can see, the mission has been completed. Okay, now the third mission is to find weapons at home. So Trevor now going towards his home in order to find the weapons. Okay, Trevor will pick up the weapons, and then let's see what's the next mission is. So Trevor is now going toward his home in order to complete this third mission, which is to find weapons at home. And Trevor is now about to reach. Now Trevor has to locate the weapons and pick up the weapons in order to complete this third mission. So here are the weapons. So Trevor has to basically pick all these weapons one by one. As you can see, Trevor has no gun right now. Okay, so let's start picking up each and every weapon. So here is the first gun. Okay, the first weapon, as you can see. Then let's start pick the next weapon, which is this one. And you can see it is keep adding to the Trevor inventory system. As you can see, okay, 2 guns picked up successfully. Now let's look at the third one, which is here, I think. Okay, here we have this one. And then the last one is left, which is a rocket launcher. So let's just find that also. So let's go outside, okay, and let's see where it is. So here we have the fourth weapon. Now after picking up the fourth weapon, as you can see, mission has been passed. As you can see, the mission details has been changed, and this is the last mission, which is find Gonzalez and take revenge. So now Trevor has to find and go to the villa of Gonzalez. Okay, Gonzalez is the gangster in this city. Okay, and Trevor is now going toward his villa, toward his home. So let's just go in this car, and you can see in the map, that is when Trevor start driving, then you can see that the player character arrow icon, yellow icon, changed to the car icon. So as you know that now Trevor is inside this car, and the map is, you can see on the map, that is the car is moving, okay, in which Trevor is sitting and driving this car. And here we go, here we reach towards the villa of Gonzalez, and you can see when we reach toward this home, then it shows this G sign, which means Gonzalez area. So this whole area is, or you can say this villa is the Gonzalez villa, where are the thugs hiding with the Gonzalez, okay, Gonzalez gang. So let's just take revenge. Okay, I mean Trevor has to take back his money from the Gonzalez gang. And here we go, here is the security guard of Gonzalez, and these were the guys, if you remember. If the player character takes damage, then here you can see their health decreases also. Okay, the health bar you can see. Also you can see the ammunition system. Okay, when the player fires, then the ammunition decreases. For example, now you can notice it. So now as you can see, you can notice the ammo number, which is decreasing, okay, when the player character fires. And you can also see that Trevor is reloading, and also Trevor can change weapons. Now Trevor fires with the rocket launcher. So now let's just go and find the Gonzalez, who basically did bad with Trevor. So Trevor is now searching for Gonzalez, who is basically the boss. This is the guy who threatened Trevor at the start of the game. I hope you remember the story. Now let's go and find the boss. Okay, the boss of these guys. So Trevor is now searching. Okay, as you know, this is a big villa. So Trevor is now going and trying to find him. And then when Trevor kills the boss of these gangsters, then the mission will be completed. Let's find here above. I mean, let's just go here at the top and let's go inside and let's check him out if there is any other guard available. So all are killed, and here is the boss. Here we find him. He is sleeping in his room. So now Trevor will simply kill him. All missions completed successfully. So now Trevor is the new owner of this city in this game. So just like in GTA 5 you have seen, okay, in the same way we will develop that professional game clone. So in this course you will learn all these professional skills. At the end of this course you will be able to make your own professional 3D games just like GTA 5 using Unity Game Engine. So you will learn all these things and all these skills, all these professional skills in this course. I hope you will love this course and you will learn many skills, many professional skills in this course. So yeah, see you guys in the course.